How to solve Rubik's Cube to the point video, short and fast method to solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so it's a simple method. Let's get started. So first we need to put the centerpiece yellow on the top. Now bring 4 white edge piece in the side of yellow. Okay, so you have to just play around and look for the white piece, and make sure that you bring it for 1 2 3, and we need one more edge piece. Okay, so we'll look for it. It's here. So if you just do this, now we have 4 white edge piece out here. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to look for the same color in the center. Okay, so it's blue out here, so let's see where it is. Okay, so we can rotate it till we find it. Okay, so yeah, now you can see the blue out here. We just matched the 2 colors. After that you have to turn it 180 degree. Do the same for the green. Okay, and for the red. Okay, so red is, I think it's here. Okay, so we just matched it, and here, and for the last one it's orange here, just orange and orange. And okay, so yellow is still on the top, but below you can see that we just formed the white cross out here. Okay, so always hold the yellow on the top. Okay, so now we will be solving this 4 corners. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 corners. So look for, so when solving these 4 corners, just look at the top corner. These are the corner pieces. Okay, look for the corner piece which contains white in it. Okay, so we have 1 out here and 1 out here. Okay, so the corner piece has white in it, and we have to just look at these 2 color. Okay, green and red. So let's find green and red. Okay, so green and red is here, so we bought the corner piece out here. Okay, between these 2 centerpiece. Okay, we bought it here. Now hold the cube this way and do the right algorithm, which I just showed you there once. Okay, so we have to match this color with this. Okay, so until then we have to continue doing the right algorithm. Okay, so you can see that now it is a match. So we go for the next one. Okay, so we have this corner piece with white, which contains white, blue and red. Okay, so red is out here, so blue should be here. Okay, so red and blue. Okay, so again do the right algorithm once, twice. After doing 3 times we just made this, it's a match now. Okay, so now the next one is green and orange. Okay, so let's go. Orange is here and green is here. Okay, green and orange center pieces here. We bring it out here. Again hold the cube. Right algorithm should always be performed in the right algorithm. Okay, at one tick we did it. Okay, so the next one is orange and blue. Yeah, it's in its correct place. You can see orange and blue. Hold it this way. Now hold it this way and do the right algorithm again till you solve it. Okay, now you can see this blue and orange. Okay, so now we just solved the first layer of the Rubik's Cube. Now we'll go for the second layer. Okay, for the second layer just look for edge piece which do not contain yellow. Okay, which do not contain yellow. Okay, so now this do not contains yellow, so blue. Just match it like this, blue and blue out here. And after you match it, okay, look for the top color, orange. Orange is here. Okay, so when orange is here, this color is in the left hand side. Okay, not on the right hand side. So just hold this cube this way and just push it once out there. Now do the left algorithm, which you can see out here. Left algorithm once. Now in order to do the right algorithm, you have to put this corner, you have to hold this corner piece this way. So once left algorithm and once right algorithm. We'll do the next one so that you know how it works. Okay, so now again you can see out here the edge piece which do not contain yellow, this red and green. It's already matched, so red is in the left hand side, so we push it like this and do the left algorithm once. Hold the cube this way and do the right algorithm once. Okay, so this is also matched. Now let's see if we have another one. Okay, we do not have any edge piece which do not contains yellow, all contains yellow. So where is the edge piece? You can see it's here. Okay, so when the edge piece is here, which do not contain yellow in it, just do right algorithm once, and once you do right algorithm, this one, take it to the left and do the left algorithm once. Okay, and you can see that it has popped up. Okay, it has come up. Now again, go for just match this orange. Green is in the left hand side, so just push it and do the left algorithm once and hold it this way, do the right algorithm once. Now we also have one more. Okay, this is it. Okay, so blue and red, so bring it out here. Now blue is here. Okay, now if blue was this blue color center was on the right hand side, you had to push it this way and do the right algorithm once and left algorithm once, but blue is in the left hand side, so we push it away from blue, do the left algorithm first. Okay, and for the right algorithm you have to hold it this way and do it. Okay, so we just solved the second layer also. Okay, so now if I'm going fast, you can watch my previous videos where I've taken 40 minutes to solve this whole cube. Okay, so I'm doing it fast because this is the fast method. Okay, so for people who want to solve it to the point. Okay, now after you solve the second layer, you can see there are three conditions out here. Okay, 1 2 3 conditions. Now look at this condition out there and just do this next formula. Okay, so this is the front layer, you rotate it 90 degree, do right algorithm once and rotate it back. Okay, so you can see there's another formation out here. Okay, but you have to hold this cube this way. Okay, you need horizontal line. Okay, you do not need vertical line. You can hold the cube this way or you can hold the cube this way and do the same algorithm again. Okay, now you can see the yellow cross formation has been done. Okay, so the next step is just play around and see if you can match this. Okay, so you can see this and this is matched. Okay, so if it's not matched, there is another formula which you can see out here. Okay, so if everything is matched like this, then you have to go to the next formula, which is this. Okay, so now after you go look at this corner pieces. Okay, so look at this corner piece. You can see we have to solve the 4 corner piece. Okay, but we have to make sure it's in its correct position. Okay, so now this is not in its correct position because it does not contain blue. Okay, it has yellow in it, it has orange in it, but it has no blue in it. Okay, so this is not in its correct position. This corner piece should be here. Okay, because orange, green and yellow. So this is also not in its correct position. This is in its correct position. Okay, not in its exact position, but it's in its correct position because it has green, it has red, it has yellow. Only the cube, if we just turn it upside down, it will be in its exact position. Okay, but we won't do that. Okay, that's cheating. Okay, so but it's in its correct position, so we hold it in the left hand side. Okay, and do this algorithm. Okay, we just followed this algorithm out here, and now just look at it. Okay, so now this is in its correct position. This is still not in its correct position because we need green, orange and yellow here. Okay, so again, the one which is in its correct position, just hold it to the left hand side and do this algorithm again. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so now this is in its correct position because it has green, it has red and it has yellow in it. Okay, so we can solve this easily. This is also in its correct position, but again, green should be here, yellow should be here, orange should be here. That doesn't matter. Okay, that means this is in its correct position, this is also in its correct position, and this is also in its correct position because it has all the 3 colors that is required. Okay, so now when all of them are in its correct position, just put it upside down. Okay, now we were holding the yellow centerpiece on the top, but in the last step we have to hold it down. Okay, and just look this way. Okay, now just hold this cube this way, any way you like, this way or this way or this way, or if this was also orange, you should hold this cube this way. Okay, so that this is your right algorithm. You'll be solving this last step using the right algorithm. Okay, so let's do the right algorithm till we match this 2. Okay, so once it's matched, just rotate it and bring this another odd piece out here. Okay, and do the right algorithm again. Okay, so you can see, oh, it's not yet matched. We have to match it. Okay, now you can see this is also matched. Now let's bring another one out here and do the right algorithm again. Okay, now again blue and red is matched. Now let's bring the next one. Okay, so now this is the last one. So once we solve this, we will solve the 3x3 Rubik's cube. Now this is a fast method, fast tutorial. I mean, if you want to watch stepwise process, you can go and watch my previous videos, which I have taught you how to solve the first layer, the second layer, the third layer. I have also given you some tips and tricks. Okay, so now this is to the point method, and thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and comment on my videos. Okay, thank you for your support. I take a leave. Bye bye. See you on the next one.